Hello everyone, this is Miss Listan again, and today in this video, pag-aaralan po natin kung paano tayo makapag-livestream ng ating mga TikTok without having 1,000 followers. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you. So, hindi po kailangan ng 1,000 followers para makapag-live ng iyong TikTok. So, TikTok mentioned in order to get live, it should be 16 years old and above, and 18 years old and above could receive the gift from your viewers. And you can actually get live stream on TikTok without 1,000 followers. So, let's go and let's learn in this video. And bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, subscribe na. Don't forget to hit like, share, and hit that bell button to get updated on my video every time I upload. So let's go and learn something. So how to enable your TikTok live? Just simply go to your profile, and above on it, you can find 3 lines in the right side. Click these 3 lines and it brings you in the settings and privacy. Scroll down and look for a report problem. Now you don't have anything to do to scroll over here and to look something else. Just click I can start live. So now it brings you a feedback and help. Just click no for myself. Tapos, i-click lang po natin yung need more help. Tapos, dito, tatype po natin yung gusto nating sabihin. Sa akin, ito yung nilagay ko. For myself, I write like this. I am over 18 years old. But why do I can't start my live? At sa baba, may makita kayong parang pwede kayong mag-upload ng picture dito. Huwag mo na itong isali kung wala naman kayong ibang i-report na problem. So, only about the live. So, just that you write anything what you want to say, just say it here and report the problem. In my case, it takes like 2, 3, or 4 months. I don't know how long it was. But I remember it takes time, then I can start my live. The others, they takes too quick, like about a week or 2 weeks, 3 weeks like that, then they start their live. But in my case, it takes time. Just take a look, my followers is 323 only, and here in the plus sign, I can click this one. And I already have a live. So now I can do a live from here. Start live. Moving live. It's like that. So guys, madilim sa loob, so nandito ako sa labas ngayon. So hindi mo na kailangan mag-follow to follow back para makapag-reach ng 1,000 followers sa TikTok. Enable lang po, just go to report problem and fix. And trust me, it will work just like mine. Thanks again for watching and bye-bye. Maasalamat, syukran.